What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Pittsburgh pneumatic brake fluid bleeder. This is the item number 61912. They have two of these. I looked at both of them. They look exactly the same. They're the same price as if they didn't have the other one in stock, but they had this one in stock. They're the same thing. So this is how it's gonna come. I have the receipt here in a second. I'll show you guys. You're gonna unbox it. Now you will have to buy a 1/4-inch male fitting, which I threw in here. So you're gonna need one of these. You can hook it up to your air compressor, and you will need an air compressor too. But other than that, this is how it's gonna come. Comes with a little bottle. You attach to your master cylinder so it doesn't run dry. Then you have your actual bleeder itself, and basically you're just gonna attach your fitting and the heel. Hook this up to your bleeder screw, and then you have these little adapters. They screw on to this to fit your master cylinder. So it comes with 4 different ones. One of them should probably fit yours. You fill this up with brake fluid, so that way while you're using this it doesn't go dry. But still, just keep an eye on it. You know, I think this was closed. Yeah, and this was open. Nope, this was open, that was closed. Valves open, valves closed. I think all this came out to, with the fitting and this, it came to $37.40. So it's still cheaper than going to Napa or Raleigh's or AutoZone to get the handheld one. You have to squeeze. This one, hook up to your air compressor, you squeeze it, you know, you're done. So we're gonna be using this on a 2005 Ford Focus. I don't know if I'll show you guys me using it or not, but it just depends on how the day goes. So I'm gonna get this air fitting thrown on there real fast, and then we'll be back. Alrighty, YouTube. Now I found the one that fits mine. I'm gonna screw this on. I want it to just be about, and then about there. Then just test it with the valve closed. I'm gonna raise it up just a little bit. That seems good. I'm going to open up the valve. It is going to fill it up, and I won't let it go dry. Once it fills up to that point, it will just keep fluid in it. I might use a big ol'... Nah, that one will be okay. Alright, well, I'm going to let that fill up. Then I'm going to change that fitting out real fast, and then we'll be back.